Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix the NUBank app if it's not working on your phone. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening a website or another app to confirm your connection is stable. Second step is to update the app. Open the Google Play Store on Android or Apple App Store on iOS. Search for NUBank and tap update if available. Third step is to restart your phone. Turn off your phone and turn it back on. This can solve many temporary app glitches. Fourth step is to clear app cache. For that, go to settings, scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Now use the search icon at the top right and search NUBank. Scroll down and go to storage and tap clear cache, and if needed, clear data. iOS users can uninstall and reinstall the app to achieve the same effect. Fifth step is to check service status. Sometimes the problem is on NUBank's end. Check their official social media or website for downtime alerts. And if the app still is not working, uninstall and reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store. And that's it. Following these steps should help you fix NUBank app issues and get it working smoothly again. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.